Hi friends, welcome back. Today's video, we're gonna talk about dirty little secrets in beauty hacks. So I'm so excited. If you're not subscribed, subscribe right now, because that's rude. And okay, I'm gonna start with the night before. So it's kind of like a night routine, day routine, and little secrets that no one likes to talk about, but that everyone does, and that's why everyone's looking their best these days. I mean, I'm 52 years old, like it takes a lot. Let me tell you. So starting the night before. Okay, obviously you take off your makeup. Clinique, love this Clinique makeup remover, love that. Okay, you start with La Mer. Now this is a high-end makeup, overnight, cream. So love that, got that at Costco. But you can also do Retin-A, I've talked about this, or Rock Deep Wrinkle. Now again, those are, you put them when your face is clean at night, sleep on it, wake up the next morning. Then wake up the next morning and in the shower, this is a Clarisonic Mia. It's, you push the button. I've been using it with this Clinique Rinse Off Foaming Cleansing Mousse. So you put that on in the shower, all over, rub off, love that. So that's a great tip. If you don't have that, you need that right away. Okay, then what I have on my eyes. Now I have minimal makeup. I've done my eyebrows. This is literally called Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Like, how easy is this? It's a little pencil and you just draw on your, eyebrows just like that. And hello, how easy is that? Then I finished it with the Benefit Gimme Brow. It's a tinted, tinted setting, tinted setting thing, whatever. I don't know why I can't think of it today. Anyways, love that. Okay, then I did, under eye cream, this is important. This is the Skin Cuticles Age-Eye Complex, and I'm almost done with it. And you just take a little amount of it and you just put it right under your eyes like that. And it gets rid of puffiness and dark circles and whatnot. But, okay, I read an article on it, okay? And so amazing. It says here, with ingredients like blueberry extract and caffeine, this thick but not greasy cream helps me wake up looking more refreshed. Love that. And I think I got that on Amazon. Okay, moving along. Another little dirty secret, Botox. Yes, I do get Botox. And yes, it does take all the wrinkles off of my forehead. And love that. So it's this beauty secret, let me tell you. Okay, another beauty secret is don't wash your hair every day. Today, second day, hello, good old hot rollers. 5 hot rollers, I have a video on it, I'll link it down below. It's so easy. You just pop those 5 rollers in. I did it today, and it keeps your hair like tame, all the flyaways, and it's really super easy and fast. So definitely do that. Okay, another dirty little secret. Shave your face sometimes. Yeah, they have those ones, you can do it with a real razor or just those ones that shave off all the fuzz like off of your face. But I know you know about this one, this little sucker. It's literally in the as seen on TV section of like Walgreens. Push this little button up and you just go like this, and it takes off all the little hairs all over your chin and neck, because you don't want those. You want your skin looking really smooth, and that's a little secret. You're welcome. Okay, then also use a foundation with SPF in it. Okay, SPF is very important. I use this Revlon Colorstay in 320. I have it on right now. How great is that? Then moving on. Okay, also have to use bronzer. Okay, I didn't put any bronzer on because I wanted to show you in this video. This is the Fenty bronzer, but I also love the Aucoin. And you just, right there. Hello, look at the difference. Follow the hollow, and it's lifting. It's literally lifting like a facelift. Like, how great is that? Put it there, and then I also put it on my jawline right here and pull it down. And then I also put it up here, just wherever the sun would normally hit your face. Yeah, love that. So I literally cannot live without bronzer every day. to me, it just makes such a difference, right? Love that. Okay, then moving on, highlighter. Take a fan brush, and this is the one from OFRA, and you dip it in there, and you, yes please, little highlighter, put it right here on the middle of your chin, like this. How great is that? Okay, and speaking of highlighters, the other day, I went into my husband's office and one of the gals there was like, oh, you look like you're glowing. What did you do? I'm like, oh my gosh, let me tell you what I did. I got, okay, so Anastasia Liquid Glow. It's liquid, and you put it, now, you put it on over your foundation. Like a lot of times you think you put this on before your foundation. No, beauty secret, put it on after. So I squirt a little bit right there, the palm of my hand, and then I rub it in my skin and my forehead. Like, can you see how illuminating that is? It looks like a little much, but it just gives you this glow. People will be like, why do you look so good? It's like, because I'm glowing, that's why, right? Okay, then moving on, another dirty little secret. Of course you need under eye concealer. So I've got the Tarte Shape Tape. Now, do not use too much of this because a little bit goes a long way. And I literally just put 2 dots, just like that. And I get my little makeup, my little kitty cat paw makeup brush, and I just rub it in all underneath my eye there. You're welcome. How great is that, right? That's a little secret that you need to know. If you're not using under eye concealer, you're gonna look tired, let me tell you what. This is like eye brightening, anti-aging, all that, all in one. How great is that, right? Love that. Okay, then moving on, lips. Now, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat lip pencil. It's not called Lip Cheat. It's called Lip Cheat for a reason, because let me tell you, you cheat. You go down below your lip line. This is how you have those lips that look fuller. Go literally a little bit down, and then on up here, you know, you follow your lip, right? But guess what? In the middle, you go kind of straight across. And then that. And then I rub it all over my lips, not just on the outside, because I don't like that liner look. But look how full your lips get. Then just put on your regular lipstick right over that. Okay, I did. Watch this. Ready? Okay. Beauty hack. Look how full your lips look. How great is that? And then, you know, I love to put a little bronzer or highlighter on top of it. So I just literally take my highlighter and put it in the middle of the lips. How amazing is that? Love that so much. And then I just like to put maybe a gloss on top of that. And this is the Marc Jacobs like coconut gloss. And just put that right on top. Hello, how great is that? Then your mascara. Okay, your mascara, if you want an awesome drugstore mascara, this is Voluminous Butterfly Effect. Now I have a little on already, but just a little more. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you, it goes right underneath. It like gets in there and really, really, really gets in there. And it's dramatic, but it's not like crazy looking, and I just love it. And then for the bottom lashes, I use Clinique Bottom Lash. Oh, by the way, this is, what is this, L'Oreal? Yeah, L'Oreal. And then the bottom lashes is Clinique makes a bottom lash mascara. Look how teeny tiny this little applicator is. And it's just for your bottom lashes. Because I don't like a lot of, you know, you don't want your bottom lashes to look like spider legs, like crazy. And it's just a very little, light, little, oh, I love that so much. You're welcome. Okay, and there you have it. The only other thing I will tell you is at night before you go to bed, put on your Grande lash. This is Lash Serum. This is what is making my lashes so amazing. I don't even have, you know how people get their lashes filled? I don't do that. I just use this Grande lash. It's amazing, and it's a little beauty hack, and a little dirty little secret that I have. So there you have it with that. Again, don't forget to love God, love others, and use these little beauty secrets. I'm telling you, it'll make a difference. And of course, my last beauty hack is, if you really have tired eyes, or just don't forget your sunglasses, because sunglasses will hide a multitude of sins. So, all right. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you next week. Bye.